Good morning, children. Yes, today is English session. So, in the previous lecture, you have seen that we have learn and read the story of Marigold textbook Nina and the Baby Sparrow. हमने आगे के सेशन में नीना और बेबी स्पैरो की स्टोरी मैरीगोल्ड टेक्स्ट बुक में से लर्न करी थी और पढ़ी थी, है ना। और उसमें से हार्ड वर्ड्स हमने 5 टाइम्स नोटबुक में नोट डाउन किए थे. नाउ today I am going to start the exercise of Marigold workbook. This is a Marigold workbook. You have to write this all exercise in your workbook also. So unit 2 we are going to start now. First question is answer the following question. Why was there a great joy in Nina's house? नीना के घर में सब लोग बहुत खुश क्यों थे? Nina's aunt was getting married, so there was a great joy in Nina's house. नीना के आंट की शादी थी. आंट मीन्स बुआ या मासी, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So they were all happy. Number 2, why was Nina's mother upset? नीना की मम्मी क्यों upset थी? Nina's mother was upset because Nina didn't buy anything. नीना ने मार्केट में से कुछ भी परचेज नहीं किया था. सो नीनाज मदर वॉज अपसेट. वाई डिड नीना स्टार्ट क्राइंग? नीना क्यों रोने लगी? नीना डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू गो टू द वेडिंग बिकॉज देयर वॉज स्पैरोज नेस्ट ऑन द बुक शेल्फ एंड 2 बेबी स्पैरोज इन द नेस्ट. नीना के रूम के अंदर एक बुक शेल्फ पे बेबी स्पैरो टू बेबी स्पैरो थी और एक नेस्ट था. सो शी वॉज वरीड अबाउट इट दैट हु विल फीड देम. सो शी डिडंट वांट टू गो फॉर द वेडिंग. वेयर वॉज स्पैरोज नेस्ट? स्पैरो का नेस्ट कहाँ था? द स्पैरोज नेस्ट वॉज ऑन द बुक शेल्फ इन नीनाज रूम. वेयर वॉज द स्पैरोज नेस्ट? ऑन द बुक शेल्फ. हाउ मैनी बेबी स्पैरोज वेयर देयर इन द नेस्ट? नेस्ट के अंदर कितनी बेबी स्पैरोज थी? 2. देयर वेयर 2 बेबी स्पैरोज इन द नेस्ट. वॉट डिड नीना टेल हर मदर अबाउट द बेबी स्पैरो? नीना ने बेबी स्पैरो के बारे में उसकी मम्मा को क्या कहा? नीना टोल्ड दैट बेबी स्पैरोज आर जस्ट बिगनिंग टू गेट देयर फेदर्स and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry for the food. Yes, what did Nina say? The baby sparrows are just beginning their feathers. यानी कि बेबी स्पैरो को अभी फेदर्स निकल रहे हैं. सो बढ़ते हुए बेबी स्पैरो को ज़्यादा खाना चाहिए. सो ऑलवेज दे आर हंग्री, सो दे क्राई फॉर द फूड. वाई वॉज नीना वरीड? नीना को क्यों चिंता हो रही थी? Nina was worried that if we will close the window, how Mama and Papa Sparrow will feed their babies. If they will go for the wedding, so they have to lock their house. So how will they, Baby Sparrow and Mama Sparrow and Papa Sparrow will feed their babies? So she was worried. What did Mother suggest? मम्मी ने क्या सजेशन दिया? Mother suggested to remove all the things from the room and lock the door on the outside. They will keep the window open. So Papa and Mama Sparrows will feed their babies. मम्मा ने क्या सजेशन दिया कि हम आपके रूम से सब चीज़ें निकाल लेंगे और विंडो ओपन कर देंगे और बाहर से डोर को लॉक कर देंगे. सो द हाउस विल बी सेफ and from the window Mama and Papa Sparrow can come and feed their babies. Number 9, what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? जब वो शादी में से वापस आई तो उसने क्या देखा? When Nina came back from the wedding, she found that there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. What did Nina say? So, Number 9, what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? उसने क्या देखा? When Nina came back from the wedding, she found that there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. What did Nina saw? That कि दोनों बेबी स्पैरोज थे वो बड़े हो गए थे और दे वेर फ्लाइंग ऑल ओवर द रूम. Yes. Now question number 2 is write the correct option. There are 4 options are given and you have to pick the right option and write it in the box. Everyone was happy because सब लोग क्यों happy थे? They were going to the market, they were buying new clothes, they were baby sparrows in the house, or they were going to Delhi for the wedding. हाँ, सब लोग क्यों खुश थे? Yes, they were going to Delhi for the wedding. So D option is right. Number 2, mother was upset because mother क्यों upset थी? Nina was crying, Nina did not buy anything, Nina was sad, Nina was angry. क्यों angry? बराबर mother क्यों upset थी? Because Nina did not buy anything. So in number 2, the C option is right. Number 3, who was not happy? कौन खुश नहीं था? नीना, मदर, फादर या ब्रदर? Yes, नीना. So in number 3, A option is right. What was there on the bookshelf in Nina's room? नीना के रूम में बुक शेल्फ पे क्या था? A parrot, a cuckoo's nest, a pigeon या sparrow nest. What was there on the bookshelf? There was a sparrow's nest. So D option is right. In number 4, D option is right. Number 5, Nina was worried about. Nina किसकी चिंता कर रही थी? पापा स्पैरो, मम्मा स्पैरो, बेबी स्पैरो या the nest? Yes, she was worried about the baby sparrow. So C option is right. Number 6, how many baby sparrows were there? कितने baby sparrows थे? 1, 2, 3 या 4? 2. So in number 6, D option is right. Number 7, where was the nest? Nest कहाँ पे था? On the fan, on the window, on the bookshelf, on the cupboard? Yes, on the bookshelf. So in number 7, C option is right. Number 8, the baby sparrow cried for the food the whole day because they were hungry, they were growing up, Papa sparrow was out या Mama sparrow was out. Why were the baby sparrows crying? Because they were growing up. So in number 8, B option is right. Number 9, what was Nina worried about? Nina किसकी चिंता कर रही थी? The crying of the baby sparrow, the nest, how Papa and Mama sparrow would look after the babies, या how Papa and Mama sparrow would feed the babies. So in number 9, D option is right. D. Number 10, mother suggested to leave the house open, to leave the windows open, to leave the door open, या to move the nest. What did the mother suggest? To leave the window open. So B option is right. So now turn your page. Number 11, when Nina came back, what happened? There were no sparrows in the room. Papa and Mama sparrows were flying around. 2 thin sparrows were flying around. 2 plump little sparrows were flying around. Yes, number D. So 2 plump little sparrows were flying around. Question number 3, there is a fill in the blank. Answers are given already in the bracket in the blue box. So you can find the right answer from the bracket and write it in the blank. First, Dash did not want to go for the wedding. Who did not want to go for the wedding? Nina. So first answer is Nina. Number 2, there was a dash on the bookshelf. What was on the bookshelf? Sparrow's nest. Yes. So number 2 में sparrow's nest. Number 3, there were dash baby sparrows in the nest. How many baby sparrows were there? 2. Mother suggested to leave the dash open. What did the mother suggested? To leave the window open. So number 4 में window. Number 5, when Nina came back, 2 dash little sparrows were flying all over the room. Plump. So number 5 में plump. Yes, here fill in the blanks are completed. Now we are starting true and false. Write true or false. Number 1, everyone was happy except Nina. सब लोग खुश थे नीना के अलावा. Yes, true. Nina's mother was upset because she did not buy anything. Nina's mother was upset? Yes. There was a sparrow's nest in Nina's room. Nina के रूम में स्पैरो का नेस्ट था? Yes, true. There was only one baby sparrow in the nest. There was only one baby sparrow? No. So it is false. Number 5. The baby sparrow cried for food all day long because Mama sparrow was not there. Is it right? No. So it is false. Number 6. Mother suggested to leave the window open. मम्मी ने window open रखने के लिए बोला था. Yes. So it is true. Number 7. Mother removed all the things from Nina's room and locked the door. Yes, मम्मी ने सब चीज़ें निकाल के रूम को लॉक कर दी थी. So it is true. Number 8. When Nina came back, she did not see the baby sparrow in the room. False. She saw the baby sparrows because they were flying along around it. Okay. So number 5. Write 2 rhyming words. You have to write the rhyming word. So write the 2 rhyming words beginning with the same sound. Think to link, sink. Grow, row, sow. Chain, main, rain. Hug, tug, mug. Fool, tool and cool. So these are all rhyming words. Now you have to turn your page. There are some pictures given and you have to write the adjective of it. So answers are already given at the top. So look at the picture and fill in the blanks to describe them. In the blank, answer is given happy, short, big, red, beautiful and thin. So in the first picture what you can see, a dash peacock. How is the peacock? Beautiful. So you have to write beautiful. Second, a dash child. How is the child? Happy. Number 3, a dash animal. How is the animal? Big. Elephant is a big. Number 4, a dash ribbon. What is the color of the ribbon? Red. So you have to write red. Number 5, a dash man. How is the man? He is thin. पतला है तो THIN, thin. And number 6, a dash pencil. How is the pencil? Short, मतलब छोटी है. So these are all describing word how the thing is. Number 7, fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the bracket. Here also the words are given in the bracket. You have to write it from that only. A mango is dash. What is the color of the mango? Yellow. So I have written yellow. Grandfather is an dash man. How is your grandfather? Grandfather is an old man. I have a dash pencil. How is your pencil? It is new. My room is dash. How is your room? It is clean. So clean. Now turn the page. Number 5. आइसक्रीम इज कोल्ड है ना, आइसक्रीम हॉट नहीं होती है. सो इट इज कोल्ड. मोहन इज अ डैश बॉय. हाउ इज द मोहन? फैट. Number 7, a mouse is a dash animal. How is the mouse? Small. The sun is dash. How is the sun? Round. So ROUND, round. Now I have completed the blanks and now number 8, there is a story given. They are all in a jumble form. You have to arrange this story and write the points down. See here I have already arranged it. So you can